Welcome back to Preyo Promo, your ultimate guide for optimizing your digital workflow with fast and effective tech solutions. Are you trying to capture your desktop activities for tutorials but getting lost in complicated software configurations? Today, I'm showing you the pro-level secret to initiating a flawless screen recording sequence inside Camtasia in just seconds. Step 1. Launch the app. First, launch the Camtasia software on your desktop to open your primary video production workspace dashboard. Step 2. Trigger the recorder. Navigate to the top left corner of the interface and click on the prominent dedicated record button. Step 3. Access Control Panel. Observe the new standalone recording control pop-up window that immediately materializes on your desktop screen. If you want to save money and stay ahead with the best viral tech hacks, subscribe to Preyo Promo right now. Step 4. Select Active Display. Click on the Screen 1 input option menu to precisely designate the exact display canvas you intend to capture. Step 5. Initiate the capture. Press the vibrant red circular recording button on the control panel to engage the automated countdown mechanism. Step 6. Confirm live session. Boom, your system screen recording session is officially active, capturing every pixel and desktop motion seamlessly in real time. Thanks for watching Preyo Promo. Smash that like button and I'll see you in the next one.